What's up, YouTube? We are building Nicro sub-hour keyboard. I'm actually watching him right now. Look at this cutie running Breath of the Wild. Nah, look at that face. Ah, he's cute though. All he knows is I'm building him a keyboard. Asked him what color. He was like, purple. And that's it. He has no idea like what the process is. I don't think he does. He probably has no idea. Plus, he also doesn't even use a keyboard that much. He probably just types on it. I mean, everyone has to use one though. But he definitely doesn't use it as much as other people. He would probably like it if I built him a custom pro controller. But guess what? No, fuck, you ain't getting that. You ain't getting one of these. These are much harder to make. So instead, we're building him a keyboard. Yay! And I'm gonna freaking be mad because I'm giving it away to him. And it might be really cool. It's okay. I have plenty. It's okay. It's okay. So, tomorrow, package arrives. And a company named Boyi on Amazon, they sent out a kit actually, keyboard kit. So now I don't have to be too worried about paying too much, even though I've already spent quite a bit. I've spent way too much. But hey, it's for Dad. Look at him. Look at him. Tomorrow, I am going to pick up the packages, and then we're going to build it tomorrow. And then I think the next day, yeah, Friday. Today's Wednesday. Friday, we'll ship it out to him. Yeah, so Pog. See you tomorrow. Alright, it is the next day. Yeah, I'm gonna go pick up the packages right now. And there's only like 2, I think. There might be more. So now, we go get them. Got the stuff. We are home. Here it is. This is the kit I got for free. We're gonna be using it. Get out here. And so, yeah, let's get this unboxed. Some of the switches are in this. These are kind of cool. Keycaps. What do you mean keycaps? These are key switches. Well, hopefully they're nice. These are the actual keycaps. These are the key switches, and it says keycaps on it. I'm gonna be jealous. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. So, I guess there's not much else to do but start building. Alright, so I finished the keyboard, and we did a tape mod and a plastic wrap, like, mod thing. It was what the keyboard came with, and it wasn't, like, supposed to be used to put into the bottom of the keyboard, but it made it sound better, definitely. So I'm gonna ship this out tomorrow, and I'm gonna show a little sound test real quick. I think I'll also have a review video over it, so yeah, let's listen to it. Alright, it is time to ship the keyboard out. I'm tired, but we gotta do it so he gets it relatively soon.
I've been in the hills fucking.
Oh fuck, I almost doxed myself. Okay, I gotta be careful here. Alright boys, shout out to Jax. He sent me a fucking keyboard. Oh my goodness. Dude, this is insane. I never do unboxings. This is fucking exciting. Here, wait. There's more! Whoa, they're bigger bubbles now, holy shit! Literally ASMR in a box. I'm not a fraud. Okay. Just a little plain white box. Oh my god, here we go. More bubble wrap. Little pop for the boys. Oh. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. That's fucking dope. That's fucking nice. I asked for black and purple. I didn't know exactly what kind of purple it was gonna be, but that like gradient or whatever, that's fucking lit, bro. Shit, let's listen to this. Let's fucking go. All right, well, I guess I gotta start using this then. I got myself a new keyboard. I've had the same stock, shitty keyboard for a long time. Here, I'm gonna plug this in right now. Why not? If you don't know, this is my old keyboard. Dude, this space bar is like always sticks. Like it gets like stuck. Good upgrade. Type racer. Holy shit, this feels so silky smooth. Okay. A book to be is almost sacrosanct. Individual in the next seat. Was that Jewish? Dude, thank you so much, Jax. Yo, shout outs to fucking Jax. This keyboard's fucking lit. It's spicy. If you missed it, if you haven't seen it yet. New keyboard, boys. Look at the gradients. Look at the perps on there. Ooh. Fucking pretty spicy, man. Listen to that. Pretty nice.
Alright guys, that is the video, and this is the longest video I've ever made, and it was a great experience, but I started like working on this February 15th, and it is March 1st now. So it's taken me about like 2 weeks to get all this done. Mostly it took 2 weeks because of the shipping. It would have been faster if not for just international shipping, but man, I love how everything turned out. I'm happy. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Bye.